Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off allow calls from silence people and silence notifications work focus on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the focus. Then after that, in the focus, choose the work. Then after that, in the work focus, click people under the notifications. Then after that, in the notifications, find the allow calls from silence people, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just turn it on to enable. And this is now enable. And if you want to turn off, just turn again the switch button. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off allow calls from silence people and silence notifications work focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!